Hello InfoComm 2026. Welcome to the ReveLux D3 LED booth N6933. My name is Merrick Adrianson, CTO of ReveLux D3 LED. What I want to introduce you at my table right next to me is the TrueControl protocol together with our new graphics Twin U PC. So there are two PCs in this, so two rack units, two playback devices, but more importantly, in software we're doing both the playback device as well as the TrueControl protocol. So out of this comes a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet line that is truly IP. As you can see, it's going to an inexpensive D-Link switch, 825, 2.5 gigabit switches, and two ports are going to this panel, which is our Perform 156 panel, about 80,000 pixels, and we're feeding it with a main and a backup data line. Because it's true IP, we're able to take any one of these feeds out, and this thing will go briefly to black, but comes right back. So it's a redundant architecture with our true IP infrastructure, where we're driving both the content as well as the LED processing, all in software coming out of this computer, out of our graphics Twin U. We have these in much larger configurations for software-only installations, but we also have the very large versions of these in silicon and in hardware. And let me show you the advanced element processor, which does up to 40 billion pixels in a two rack unit configuration. So on this one, each section is two 4K inputs. So you have four 4K inputs in two rack units, and out of there comes regular SFP ports. So 8 SFP ports, 10 gigabits, so that's 80 gigabits per second, true IP. You can put it into any managed switch. Does not have to be a specialized switch. It's not cabling. You can buy your regular converters. These are, you can have them as single mode, multi-mode, whatever works. The distance is irrelevant, but this is the hardware version of our processor, all controlled under software, under our software protocol, which we call TrueControl. And all of our products are based on this. So it's a very exciting development that we continue pushing the envelope of IP with higher speeds and better and better processing. So come check us out at InfoComm booth N6933, or come check us out at the website www.d3led.com or www.reveluxgroup.com. My name is Merrick Adrianson. Pleasure to meet you all. Have a great show.